it's Mrs. Mullen here, and we are doing a science extravaganza. As you can see, we are in Mrs. Mullen's kitchen, so let's get down to it. So I'm gonna have my assistant come and zoom in and see what we have here. We're gonna talk about what we're using for our science experiment. Something you will need that your parents might have at home is white vinegar. It's 5% acidity, okay? Now, what I did with my vinegar was I put it in this water bottle, and you will see why in a second. The second thing you will need is some food coloring, okay? Our third thing is baking soda. All right, and I just have my little bowl here with baking soda in it, and I have all my food colorings out already. I've got my water bottle that has vinegar in it, and our experiment today is really tricky, so I'm gonna try to play a trick on you. If you look in here, we don't actually know what's in there. You can see it has baking soda, but we're not sure what it's going to do. This experiment is called fizzy colors. So, now, what we're working with today, like I said, our baking soda, that is our base, okay? Say base. Very nice. Now, we also are working with, like I said, vinegar. Vinegar is our acid, okay? Now, when I squirt this in here, I want you guys to think about what you think is going to happen. So I'm gonna squirt my vinegar in my mystery fizz, and we're going to see what happens. Okay, so my assistant's gonna come over here. All right, here we go. Whoa, did you guys see all those bubbles? When our base mixes with our acid, it creates a gas. That gas is called carbon dioxide. So if you look in here, you can see it's just a little bubbly. I might try to give it a little bit of a stir. You can see it's still bubbling. Now, our gas is actually invisible. We can't actually see it, which is really tricky, but it is in there. So now we're gonna keep going with these. Wonder what color this one will be. Wow, so pretty, it's blue. Very cool. All right, let's keep moving. Remember what I said's happening. It's bubbling and creating a, if you said gas, you are correct. Green, so far we have red, blue, green. Wonder what this one will be. Yellow. So pretty. All right, let's keep going. And this is a really easy experiment that you can do at home. Orange. Do you guys know how we get orange? We have to mix red and yellow together, and they make orange. All right, let's go down to this one. Ooh, purple. We get purple by mixing red with blue. That makes purple. All right. Here's our last one. Then I'm gonna show you how you can do this at home. Ooh, it's kind of like a bluish green color, very pretty. That's like one of my favorite colors. How I got that one is I mixed blue with green together. Now, if you want to do this experiment at home, what you're going to do is you're going to start with your food coloring. You're going to do a couple dots in there. Maybe we'll mix it with a different color. So let's see. I wonder what would happen if we mixed yellow and green. So let's try that one, okay? Then you're going to take about 1 tablespoon of your baking soda. And remember, we said baking soda is our base. You're going to put it right over top of that food coloring until you can't see it. Then you're going to take your water bottle, which has our acid. We're going to mix it together. This is having a chemical reaction. And remember, we talked about that when it bubbles, it's creating a gas, and that gas is called carbon dioxide. Ooh, it looks like the leprechaun green. Very cool. Well, friends, I hope that you enjoyed this experiment with me. Thank you for joining Mrs. Mullen's Science Extravaganza, and I hope you try it at home. Thank you.